Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to our presentation from Group Saint. And here we will explain our project for application development called BookHub. We have created a web-based system where we can show, where we create a platform for a one-stop ebook for user to choose any book that they want. So let's just get into the presentation first. So this is our welcome page. Maybe Mahfud can explain it first.
Okay, and on the welcome page here, we will show the BookHub logo there at the first page. And then if you scroll down a bit, there will be show about the total books on the system registered and the total user have been registered into the system and the total user subscription. So here if you scroll down a bit, it will show that for book here, randomizer. And Aldi, can you refresh it or reload this the page? Okay, we'll show another 4 there because it's randomizer. And then if you scroll down again, it will show the latest book that has been uploaded into the system. Maybe that's all for the welcome page.
Okay, thank you, Mahfud. So yeah, in here, a user will not be able to choose the book itself. So they will first have to log in. But to better understand our system, it's better if we show our registration system first. So in here, we'll have user need to create new user. So they will need to enter their email address, intended email address, and their password. For example, if I put, give me a second. Sorry. And then they will create an account. And as you can see right here, the system will ask the user to verify the email, and an email will be sent to the user based on their email that they have registered with. So if you refresh it right here, so as you can see right here, this is the email to the intended user based on the email that they have registered, and the email will be included a verified email address link. So if the user click right here, they will redirect it to this landing page where they will be welcome and they can continue to book up. And it will go back to the dashboard. And here, user can start using the features in our website. For example, search book, which can be explained by my friends. Rafi?
Firstly, the search book will show all of the books that are in the system. As you can see, this is all the book. You can try search something, Aldi. All of the book that are have a deal word in it will be shown here. Can you click any of the books, Aldi? After we click it, the PDF of the deal will be open. Can you go back and go to the history? As you can see, Dylan 1991 is the last, the one that the user read. You can try to click another book in the search book. Click another book for a journey to the center of the earth, and you can go to the history again to see. This is the last book that the user has been read. That is all for the search book and history.
Okay, so in the last part of the user itself can select the reset password if they want to. So to reset their password, they first have to input their password that they want to change. So for example, this one is this one. So the system will detect the email of the user, and an email of password reset link has been sent to the user. So as you can see right here, so this is the email that is sent by Laravel. So we can reset the password of the user itself. And as you can see, this is the email of the user, and they can input it their new password. Let me insert it, grab it, and then they can reset the password, and it will change the password itself and allow them go back to the welcome page. That's all about the user page. Unfortunately, subscription genre are two of the features that aren't working in our user page, user view. So maybe we can go back, we go straight to the admin view. So to get to the admin view, we first have to log out of the user account, and we can log in to the admin. So the login page is similar, use the same login page between admin and user. So the system will detect if the account that was logged in is an admin or not. So for example, this account right here is an admin. So if we sign him in, instead of sorry, wait a minute. So yeah, instead of going to the welcome page, it will it will instead go to the admin dashboard. There are several things here that maybe can explain by Mahfud.
Okay, and the admin dashboard here is pretty the same in the welcome page, total books, total user, and total subscription. But the difference is in the admin part, the dashboard will be show about the latest inserted book there, the one book that the latest inserted, and the user there also the latest inserted user that has been registered into the system. Aldi, can you go to the user? Okay. On the user page here, it will show the total of user there alongside with the user ID, username, and email. That's all maybe for the dashboard and the user. We go to the manage book. In the manage book, it will also show the data about the book name, book ID, author, publish date, and total page. The functionality will be explained by Rafi.
So as what Mahfud said, the manage book will show all the data about the book that have been inserted. We can try to add a book first, Aldi. We can try to add Peter Pan.
Okay. Date is today. Total pages, let's put 1, 2, 3. And we can go
Save. As you can see, the Peter Pan it will be the bottom and the new one. You can go to the dashboard. As you can see, the last book that has been started changed to the Peter Pan. Like you go to the manage book again, we will try to edit a book. Let's try to edit Dylan test edit. We just want to change the file name to Dylan. Okay. But unfortunately, the book file and cover have to be chosen to the aromas and at any description and save. As you can see, the name has been changed to Dylan, and the author is still tied by because we didn't change anything yet. We can try to delete the Peter Pan, the last thing that we insert Peter Pan. We can try to delete it, edit, and we can delete it. As you can see in the bottom, there are no. You can go to the bottom only. There are no Peter Pan. You can go to the dashboard again. It will be changed to the last one inserted book that the admin has inserted, and it's not the Peter Pan. I think it's all from the managed book part.
Okay, thank you very much for Mahfud and Rafi. So that's all the part that we can show. Last part is logout admin. It will redirect back again to the welcome page, but instead of logout and reset password, it will still show login. So those are the things that are currently working on our system. So thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.